tahimik, presko at may mountain view home? Yes na yes sa Sandia Homes, Tanawan, Batangas. Imagine waking up to this view, Mount Makiling on one side, Tagaytay Ridge on the other side. Presko, panalo, perfect! May 1-story and 2-story house options. That is perfect for your growing family or your first home goals. Plus, minimalist ang peg para simple, elegante, pero functional. Location-wise, solid to! 15 minutes away to SM Santo Tomas, plus 6 kilometers away from Tanawan Public Market at Victory Mall. How about the weekend fun? Sandia got you! May clubhouse, basketball court, playground,
At picnic spot.
at syempre hindi papahuli ang favorite nating lahat, merong adult and kiddie pool. Sa Sandia Homes, secured and connected ka rin dito. Dahil merong gated community with 24/7 guard plus CCTVs. Plus, may internet connection na rin sa area. At syempre, meron na ring water supply, wide access roads at mataas ang elevation kaya sure kang safe. Grabe! Presko, secured, complete amenities, plus very affordable, kayang-kaya ng budget. With Sandia Homes, masasabi mong, kaya ko to. Your home in Tanawan starts here.